Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you all are doing great. So today I am here with you to share my review on Lotus Herbal White Glow All-in-One DD Creme. Now the market is full of such skin creams. I mean, don't we have n number of creams in the market already, and at times it becomes extremely difficult to choose one among 100. We have CC as complexion care, then we have Beauty Balms, BB, and now we have Daily Defense as DD. So yes, we'll see the performance and everything in the review section. Yes, Lotus Herbal as a brand, it's India's leading natural herbal company, and the brand actually believes in utilizing the herbal ingredients rather than using chemical or synthetic products. So it is actually combining the old age Ayurveda with 21st century science to deliver the best and safest product in the market. And their products are cruelty free, that means they are not tested on animals, the best part, plus they are paraben free, fragrance free, and they are clinically tested. So yes, that was a little sneak peek into the brand. Now let's head to the packaging thing. So this is how the cardboard box looks like. The tube comes inside this cardboard box. So it has a direction mentioned here. Then it has a short description with key benefits. Then SPF 20, it's for all skin types. And pricing and other details are over here. The shade is natural beige. It's available in two shades. The other one is pink beige, so I have natural beige. The expiry shelf life is 3 years. It's mentioned on the box, and it retails for rupees 275, and you get 30 grams of product. Okay, so they don't say anything about ingredients, am I right? Yes, no ingredient list anywhere. Okay, let's see what's inside then. So this is how the tube looks. It has this beautiful golden color cap with this mattifying feel tube. Again, it is SPF 20, illuminating photo finish, all skin types. Then a short description. The shade name is mentioned on the tube also, along with the price. It's 275. Then no ingredient list. Directions are also there with short description. That is okay, but where are the ingredients? Not a word. Okay then, so there is no ingredient list. So this is the color. This one is natural beige. Now let's see how it blends. So it's a warm tone shade. Okay, it has yellow undertones to it, so people with yellow undertones can actually use this, but the one with cool tone thing, they have to use the pink beige shade. Okay, this shade will not suit you. So directions are pretty simple, just as you would use any other skin cream. Just take small amount of this product, and with the help of your fingertips, try dabbing it into your skin lightly. So start with the circular motion on your cheeks, then go for your neck, then forehead, and lastly your T-zone. So that's how you use it. You can actually set it also by using any compact of your choice to have that flawless look. It blends super easy with help of your fingertips. You don't actually need a beauty sponge to blend this product. It's good with fingers. So honestly, when I saw that they are not saying anything about ingredients, neither on the box nor on the tube, I wasn't happy, because I want to know what's going into the product. I mean, in today's world, every consumer wants to know that. And if you are claiming something like herbal, paraben free and stuff, then what's the good in not adding any ingredient list? At least you have to tell your consumers that they deserve that, right? Also, I did my little research on the website, and even on their website, they are not sharing any ingredient list. They are only focusing on key ingredients. They say that their DD creme is packed with mulberry extract and grapefruit extract and one flower extract. So these are the key ingredients, and the full ingredient is, they are not saying a word about it on their website also. So that's a big con, because what is it that you are hiding, Lotus Herbal? You should be telling your consumers what is going into their products, right? So that's not fair. So as I said, this DD creme has mulberry extract. Now mulberries are abundant in antioxidants like beta carotene, which neutralizes the free radicals that damages your skin. plus it also improves the fine lines and makes your skin appear younger, firmer than ever before. So it's a wonder ingredient. They have grapefruit extract as well. Now grapefruit actually exfoliates your skin really well, nourish it, hydrates it, plus it helps penetrate the other potent ingredients deeper into the skin. It helps other ingredients to get sink into your skin, dive into your skin. It's all because of the grapefruit extract. So now the review thing. So this Lotus Daily Defense Creme is a matte DD creme with all the benefits of an illuminating skin creme. Okay, it gives your skin that subtle look and makes you instantly ready for any occasion, be it your lunch or office meeting or your date night or any important event. So it gives your skin that instant subtle glow and not that loud glow because it has illuminating finish to it. The best part is that it has SPF 20. That means it protects you from the harmful UV rays. So in skincare we all are aware of the importance of SPF, but guys, your makeup has to have SPF. So start purchasing your makeup that has SPF in it. So this one has SPF 20, which is the best part. Coverage wise, don't expect it to be like your foundation. Okay, if you have lot of pigmentation issue, go for your foundation and not this DD creme. Okay, it's just for minor coverage thing. It's nothing like if you try to build it up or lather it up, it would end up giving you that flawless look. No, it won't happen. You will end up looking cakey. That's it. So don't even try that. Don't even think of trying that. So yeah, that's it. Cover the pigmentation that much because you can that's the difference. That's the basic difference between a foundation and then a DD, BB or a CC creme. It won't give you that spotless finish, but then it will help you achieve even skin tone. But yes, if you are someone with a lot of spots or a lot of discoloration, I would suggest you to use your foundation and not this DD creme. Now this one, the Lotus Herbal DD creme, is really lightweight. Agree, it's hydrating, okay. Then it offers you that matte look, yes, but coverage, no. I mean it doesn't work on coverage. If you're someone with a lot of pigmentation, go for your foundation, skip this DD creme or try any other CC or BB creme. See, BB creme is more of a moisturizer and then CC does the color correction job. And this one, the DD, is a one step ahead and it offers you that anti-aging benefits. But then you have to choose as per your need, okay? Don't forget that. So this has nothing out of the box kind of thing. So it is a normal skin creme. It does gives your skin that subtle glow. So that's a good thing. And the best part is it has SPF and then it's for all skin types. You don't have to struggle for any shade. It's just that if you have yellow undertones, which you can easily see through your veins, if your veins appear to be bluish, you have cool. If your veins appear to be greenish, you have a warm undertone. So people with warm undertones have to just go and pick this natural base shade. You don't have to struggle for any shade range like other BB or CC cremes have. So that's a good part. Then it's hydrating, it's buildable, it covers your spots to an extent. But then again, if you have a lot of pigmentation, go for your foundation and not this DD creme. Other than that, the ingredient list is missing, which I hate. I mean, I want to know what are you hiding, Lotus? See, why haven't you added any ingredient over here? So that's a con. Other than that, it's a good formula, weightless formula. You can try this DD creme and it's nothing like I would ask you to just go and rush and shop and get your hands on this product. It's nothing like that. It's a nice, good to go DD creme. So yeah, try it out and let me know in the comment section below if you have tried it. How was it? How was your experience? I'll be happy to hear that. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Until then, take very good care of yourself. Bye. Take care.